So it's just under 3 weeks since we were last here when we did a pre-renovation visit. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be checking out those results and we're going to be giving it some TLC as well. So let's check it out. Okay, before we get on with the results, let's just see what we got up to last time. We put on the Rise and Shine granular fertiliser, and then we got a tank ready, and in that went Stella, Grace, Orbit and H2Go wetting agent, along with Dan's Winter Magic and some weed killer. Okay, so then products have really kicked in for us. Lawn's put on a little bit of growth, not too much because we don't want a lot, but it's just starting to wake up the lawn so that in a few weeks when we start renovating, it's all going to come through and be extra special for Easter. But in the main, I'm really impressed with how it's coped over the winter. Even over here where it's normally gets bare, it's not. Doesn't seem to be many leather jackets knocking about, which is good. They do tend to like annual meadowgrass. So if you do have an annual meadowgrass lawn, you're more likely to have the leather jackets. I'm not sure why, but whenever you pick out a piece of annual meadowgrass, there's always a leather jacket in there. Now, 1 or 2 in isolation isn't going to cause you a big problem. So there might be 1 or 2 in here, but we're getting towards that time of year now where we'll be able to see visible damage like there. That could possibly be an area for leather jackets. What you're looking out for is like little pinholes in the soil and the grass looking like it's nibbled away. So you can see there, it just looks like it's a bit shorter, so that could be leather jacket damage. Or it just could be where we had some worm casts and they've been squashed. We've got worm casts there, but again, worm casts do tend to appear more where the leather jackets are because there's no grass, so there's just organic material there that the worms can get at. Like over here, this always dies off because it's under the hedge, but again, it could be leather jackets and probably is. What we'll do is later we'll have a dig in there and see if we can spot any, and then if we need to we can treat that. Now we've got the chemical license. I don't use it unless I have to, but it's there should we need it. But generally this dies off every year anyway, so I'm not overly concerned. Okay, so that's on 3. Because I've done quadruples today. Still a few pieces out. Now I've just noticed I've missed a little bit there. I don't know how that's happened. Just not paying attention. So there's which is perfect for sterling for the Scarifine attachment. There's a few twigs down there. Things just get blown in when it's windy. A lot of trees around. So with them here. So what we'll do is we'll get that set up over there, and then we'll get that done, and then we'll give it a cylinder cut and see how it looks. Okay, so for those of you who've never seen the Alert Scarifine attachment, it doesn't come like that. That's just wear and tear. So it's got 100% coverage all the way across. I know it's missing a gap there, but you've got that one there which fills that in, so we're not going to miss any gaps. With the VertiCutting cartridge, there's a gap all the way through, so you're only going to be picking up everywhere the blade is. So this is a great device for just picking up leaves and twigs and anything else that's falling on the lawn. And then you go around the side, and what we're going to do is, like last time, we're just going to drop it down to the top there, millimetres. I think last time actually I went slightly just above it on 0.5 as if we were cutting, so we can do that again. Just play, just see how you get on. What is for me might not be for you, so everybody's unique in what they want in their lawn. So we'll try it on that, give it a go. If we need to, we can lower it. But I'm not looking to do any damage today. I'm just looking to pick the twigs up, so you don't really need to go that deep. Look at all we've taken out. All the leaves, all the twigs, conkers, more conkers. Even a big stick like that came up. So yeah, it's all great because that'll just be rotting in there be all slimy in there. We had so much rain this year, it's been unbelievable. Just can't remember the last time we went like a sustained period without any rain. So that's hindering things at the moment, but we can still get on here because we're looking after it. Although we put a lot of products on, some of you might say, do we need it, do we need it? If we do this, that's why we can carry on mowing, because we're keeping that grass ticking over so it's still taking up water, getting rid of it. And I've been putting on here as well my drainage in the bag, which will be out in a couple of weeks, if not before that, so you can start taking advantage of that as well. Alright, so I just thought I'd show you the cylinder clippings. Look what we took off, and look at the colour of those leaves for this time of year. Absolutely fantastic colour, lovely deep green, and it smells absolutely amazing. Just like the first cut, like when the council come and cut all the verges and you get this great smell in the atmosphere. That's what this garden smells like at the minute. So yes, if you want clippings like that, just do what I do. It's easy. Okay, so that's the cylinder mowing done. Now can you see the difference in crispness when you use the cylinder mower? If I just show you with the rotary, I know we've scarified as well, but we've still got that, which is just extra special definition and quality of cut. Have great results. Well, that's it for today. Join me next time when we'll be doing something else, lawn related, no doubt, somewhere else. But until we meet again, take care. And we'll see you soon, and we'll see you next time. Bye!